So in this Google Slides tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to edit the border color of shapes here in Google Slides. So once you have Google Slides open up on your device, I want you to add a shape to your design. So just go to the top right here, press on the plus icon, then press on where it says shape, and then select whatever shape you wish to add. So we're going to go ahead and how about we do this Pac-Man looking thing right here. I'll make it, I'll switch it around a little bit, sort of looks like Pac-Man. There you go. So if you want to edit the shape color, go ahead and press on this icon. Go to the bottom left here and press on the fill icon. So the bottom bar, there's three different options. Press on the first one. And then if you wanted to make the solid color, so let's just say I wanted to do a Pac-Man theme, I'll go to where it says yellow. I'll make yellow right there. Now, if you wanted to make the color, that's fine. That's one thing. Now, if you want to change the border color, which is the purpose of this video, beside the fill icon in the middle, there's sort of like a pencil looking icon. Go ahead and press on that, which will then change the border color. So as of right now, there's sort of like a beige border color, but if you wanted to make it a black border, you can press on black. If you wanted to maybe make it a blue border, you can press on blue. Basically, play around with it, whatever the case may be. So we're going to go ahead where it says black. Press on black, then exit out. So as you can tell, it's there. If you want to change the thickness, it's super simple as well. Go to this bottom option right here, press on the bottom right of the three options where it says thickness. You can change border weight and then make the border a lot thicker, and there you go. That's how you guys can edit the border color of shapes in Google Slides. So once again, if you wanted to maybe make the border color red, you can do red. Whatever the case may be, play around with it. It's pretty straightforward. I hope this video helped. Thanks again for watching.